Experiencing issues transferring your number to or from Tesco Mobile? Don't worry, it's a common problem. The primary reason a number transfer fails after using a PAC code is due to system glitches, incorrect PAC entries, or delays during peak times. First, double check that you entered the PAC code correctly and that it hasn't expired. PAC codes are valid for 30 days. If the code is valid and the issue persists, contact Tesco Mobile support immediately through their app, chat, or phone. Request they manually check the porting status. Have your account details ready and document all communications for future reference. If Tesco Mobile doesn't resolve the problem within 48 hours, escalate the issue to Ofcom, the UK's telecom regulator. Ofcom enforces SLAs and can intervene to force a manual port. The standard mobile number porting timeline in the UK is 1 to 2 working days. During this period, your number is transferred from Tesco Mobile to your new provider through the central reference database managed by Ofcom. Use Tesco Mobile's app or website, which now features a real-time porting tracker to monitor your transfer status. This digital tool allows you to check progress online, reducing the need for support calls. If your transfer exceeds this time frame, it's time to escalate. If the tracker indicates a problem or if Tesco support is unresponsive, contact Ofcom. Ofcom's general conditions mandate fair play and compensation for delays. You may be entitled to up to £5 to £20 per day of service disruption. Remember to keep records of all communications with Tesco Mobile. If Ofcom intervention is necessary, provide them with your documentation. In most cases, Ofcom can confirm the PAC's validity and force a manual port, ensuring your number is transferred promptly. Proactive action and documenting communications often lead to faster resolutions.